Hi everybody, welcome to Hudson Square. I'm Ned Baldwin. I'm chef owner of Houseman restaurant. I live right around the corner over there, and this is my restaurant here. Why don't you come on inside? I looked really hard for a restaurant. I think I probably saw 70 different spaces. One of the things I was looking for was a neighborhood that actually needed a restaurant, which is not so easy to find in New York. As it turned out, Hudson Square was that neighborhood. Those that are here, we all kind of know each other. I walk down the street and I know practically everybody. We're overjoyed to be cooking for our customers in New York again. Houseman is a translation of a Norwegian word, husman's kost, which means houseman's food. What that means to them is traditional local food. A lot of people ask what kind of food we cook at Houseman, and I always answer American food. Some people think of American food as like a hamburger and a milkshake. The America that I live in here in New York, there's food from all over the world. This neighborhood restaurant has a great roasted chicken, a great hamburger, French fries that people like to talk about, a great steak frite. But in addition to that, we like to challenge ourselves and we like to experiment. Before I was a cook, I was an artist and a builder. I've always made stuff. Cooking is similar to art to the extent that every day you come to work, you make a lot of stuff. For me, I just like to work all the time. That somehow gives me some sort of strange inner peace. By the end of the day, you have accomplished all the things you want to accomplish, and you clean the kitchen and you go home, and it's immensely satisfying. The purpose of the design at Houseman is for guests to feel comfortable eating dinner. When you walk in on the right, there's this beautiful weathered plaster wall. The restaurant works with an illustrator whose name is Gerardo Blumenkrantz. He has drawn into this weathered wall, and some people see it and some people don't. The tables at Houseman are made from slabs from an old bowling alley that was up near Yankee Stadium. When you're eating at Houseman, you're eating on top of a vintage bowling alley. And this is our zinc bar. In Paris, a zinc is a bistro that serves a particular kind of food, has a particular kind of service, and I think we're similar in that regard. I think occasional lighting is nice in a restaurant, so I bought a whole bunch of mid-century desk lamps. I absolutely love cookbooks, and I keep lots of them in and around the restaurant, and amazingly, one of the greatest opportunities this restaurant has given me was I was able to produce my own cookbook called How to Dress an Egg. I show you how to cook something, and then I show you how to dress it up. Not unlike your apartment, the design of this restaurant is additive. We've problem solved over the years and taken some stuff away, added some other things. To that extent, it is a home, at least for me. Since my family lives around the corner from the restaurant, they eat here quite often. They can stop in for dinner, they can do their homework here. It allows me to integrate my family life with my work life in a way that's critical. People ask me if I make sculpture anymore. The restaurant is a gigantic sculpture. It's the windows, the walls, it's the floor, it's the plates the food's served on, menus and the graphic design, and even the way that we as workers in the restaurant interact with each other and with the customers. It's all one gigantic sculpture. I hope you enjoyed visiting me, and I look forward to meeting you here at Houseman.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?